The Screen Pen is a user-friendly annotation tool that enables users to draw, write, or highlight directly on the screen with ease. We tap the pen icon on the main toolbar to enter annotation mode. Upon launching, a toolbar with 7 function buttons will appear, with the pen tool activated by default. Let's take a look at their functions. The first button is Select. Tap this to switch the toolbar to standby mode. Tap the pen icon again to resume annotation. The second button is Pen, which lets you draw or write freely on the screen. Tap it again to adjust thickness and color. The third button is Brush, similar to a highlighter, used to emphasize content without covering it. The fourth button is Clean, which clears all annotations at once. The fifth button is Save, used to export the current annotations as a PNG file. The sixth button is More, providing 4 additional options. Finder, open the saved directory to browse or access previous annotation files. Insert, for import current annotations into the Whiteboard app for further discussion. Share, auto-generate a QR code to download the annotation file to your mobile device. Cloud, upload the current annotations to Google Drive or OneDrive, if the account has been added. The last one is Close, which exits annotation mode. Use the Screen Annotation tool to enable everyone to write and draw on the screen in real time. This can make meetings or classes more interactive, boosting collaboration and increasing efficiency.